Are you looking for an easy way to jazz up your gift bags for any occasion? So this tutorial is for you. Just in a few steps you can make a cute little bag for ornaments and other home decor. So let's get started. All you're gonna do is a canvas bag, a little bit of white paint, some rice paper or napkins, decoupage glue or Mod Podge, and a parchment paper. And of course some brushes. Follow my step-by-step tutorial and you will be making these gift bags in no time. Put the parchment paper inside the bag and then cut up your rice paper or napkin, the design you choose. To make sure you get the white paint the way you want it, make sure to trace your rice paper design and then go on and put some white paint. It will make your images more stand out. Of course, you can skip this step if you want. After the paint is dry, put some decoupage glue or Mod Podge on it and glue your chosen design onto it. As you can see, I chose a teddy bear one. And make sure your design is pretty dry before you turn it off the other side. A little tip, if you don't like your design as it is looking and it is still wet, you can just peel it off and start all over. It's not a problem. Let your images dry pretty good before you do the next step, or you don't have to do the next step if you don't want to, but I wanted to seal it pretty good, so I use another decoupage glue, which is a glitter decoupage glue, and I'm pretty sure there is a Mod Podge glitter as well. And again, let it dry really good, and then I just put some varnish on it just to make sure, and I decorated the top with a little bit of paint just to make it pop. Little ribbon on top, and there you go. Your gift bag is done. Pretty easy, right? Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe if you like my little videos.